Okay, welcome back. So let's do an exercise on sample question on how we going to apply bad debts, FDD, and DD. Okay, so this is a sample question number 1 in regards to that. So under the trial balance shown here, the bad debts for the financial year is 2,000. Allowance for doubtful debts is 1,001. Always remember, if you see allowance for doubtful debts in the trial balance, it means it's a opening balance. So opening balance is the balance BD. Okay, account receivable at the end of the year is 21,500. Now, additional information will actually affect our trial balance. So we need to adjust our trial balance. So number 8 tells you that balance day, one of the account receivable was found bankrupt with the amount owing of 1,000. So anything under additional information means the double entry hasn't been done. So when somebody, our credit customer account receivable is found bankrupt, we have to do double entry. So the double entries for bad debts would be debit bad debts. So we're going to increase our bad debts to 1,000. Okay, and then we will credit account receivable because now the person already bankrupt, they cannot pay us. So we reduce the amount from account receivable. So it's minus 1,000. Now, the next thing is to set the allowance for doubtful debts at 5%. Anything under additional information in regards to AFDD will be calculation, and the calculation will be related to balance sheet adjustment, which is financial year end, means the amount would be balance CD. So we count here 5% times. Always remember, if we have adjusted our account receivable, we have to minus it out. So 21,500 minus 1,000 times 5%, we get 1,525. Okay, so next, always remember the step in reconstructing FDD. The first step would be putting opening balance over here, 1,001. The second step can be either bad debts recorded here on the debit side, transfer the 3,000 over here, or the second step can be recording our balance CD amount, which is 1,525, then only followed by bad debts. Whatever way is it, you always begin with opening balance, all right? Whether your second step will be closing balance or second step will be bad debt, doesn't matter. Always remember both of the item will be on the debit side. And always remember, if you're going to write balance CD, it's always write on the second line. All right. After that, we're going to balance the FDD to find our DD. So our DD here would be 4,525 minus 1,001. So we get 3,425. Now, some of you do not like to reconstruct AFDD when we are doing SOCI and SOFP under balance sheet adjustment. So you can opt to do workings like this. Now, doubtful debts can be a combination of bad debts plus increase of FDD or minus decrease in FDD. Since we start with bad debts, so it will be 3,000. All right. Now, the 1,525 that we calculated over here, we can actually put next to the opening balance. From here to here, we can actually see that is an increase of FDD. So the increase of FDD is 1,525 minus 1,100. So this amount will be added into 3,000 in order for us to arrive at 3,425. Now, always remember, you can use this method for balance sheet adjustment. However, as accounting and finance students for year 12 here, your skill is to know how to reconstruct AFDD, especially when we are doing the next statement, which is statement of cash flow. However, for balance sheet adjustment, if you're very familiar with this formula and you know how to apply it, it is okay to use working like this in order to get to your doubtful debts. Okay, so that's all for question number 1, sample question number 1. There'll be 2 more sample of question number 2 and number 3. I look forward to see you there.